Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you see in the thumbnail, I am excited to share some product find from AliExpress and comparison between AliExpress and Amazon. So you will see the price difference between AliExpress and Amazon. So I am an old user of AliExpress, but I find to know that some people from US or Europe, maybe they have some security issues from AliExpress. So they rather go to AliExpress, they buy from Amazon. I'm not a critic from Amazon, but the price difference is more higher than other platforms. So if you find a product from Amazon is under 100 bucks or 100 bucks, the same product from AliExpress you will get in 2 or 3 bucks with free shipping. So I ordered 3 to 4 things from AliExpress and they cost me under 3 bucks and a free shipping, and I got product from in within 3 to 4 days. So the same is on Amazon. If you buy from Amazon any product under $35, you will have to pay 6 or 7 bucks for shipping fees. But if you buy on AliExpress under $10, you will get free shipping and premium free shipping. You got your product within 3 to 4 days or maximum 5 days, working days. So I find top products from Amazon and AliExpress and a price comparison between these products. So I will share some products for you. And one more thing, if you like my video, you will subscribe the channel and get daily updates on products.
Okay, the first one is Love Me Aluminum Metal Case, and there you see the prices in Amazon is 30 bucks, and when you add shipping, it cost almost 37 to 38 bucks. And while the same product on AliExpress is in 16 bucks with free shipping, check out the shipping section. There is mentioned on AliExpress that free shipping available on this product, and also they have most of iPhone models. Check it out, and they also have three same colors as mentioned in my Amazon, and look at the difference. The second product is Beats Fit Pro, and check out the price is 169 bucks, and all colors available in Amazon, while the same product prices in AliExpress is 79 bucks with free shipping. Also use this discount code and you get $3 off. If you use my discount code, you will get $10 off. And believe me, this is original product, not the clone. And free shipping. Check it out. Comparison both product. And this third product, that is Boya mic, lavalier wireless mic for smartphone. If you are a content creator or a TikToker, this is the best product for you. The prices on Amazon is 79 bucks and 59 bucks for the single, while the same product on AliExpress is in 47 bucks with free shipping. And if you use discount code, you will get $6 off from AliExpress. Look at that discount codes. The same product on Amazon and on AliExpress. The third product is luxury carbon fiber metal frame case with camera protection kickstand, while the same product on, and the price, check the price, $149, while on AliExpress the same product price is $100, and if you use discount code you will get $10 off with free shipping. The fourth product is magnetic case for iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. The price is on Amazon is $99, and if you buy the same product from AliExpress, you will get 107 you will get in $171, while the shipping price is $3.76. And AliExpress have more variety and more models available. Believe me, the product is the same product on Amazon. I use this product personally, so the product is 100% same in Amazon. So check out the price and the material. And the fourth product is Pitaka case. This case is design, quality, and product is same, but not mentioned on Pitaka on the back of the case, but the price is more. Look at that, $6 and $10 with free shipping, and they have more models. Quality is same like Pitaka, but the price is almost 80% less than Pitaka case. Believe me, you should try this case and you never regret that. And the next product is SupCase for iPhone 16 Pro Max, 27 bucks plus tax plus shipping. But the same product price on AliExpress is $16. And the shipping price is $4.88. It cost you $20 on AliExpress, but on Amazon it cost you almost $37. And they also have all varieties, all colors. And the next product is very famous brand Urban Armor Gear, and this case is for S24 Ultra. And the price, maybe this item is in not in stock, but other variants are in stock. And this design is in stock and the price is 59 cent, while on same product on AliExpress is $12 with free shipping. Believe me, the case is 100% original as on Amazon. I personally use this case, also have in my use the same case, and the same case is for iPhone. Look at that. The iPhone case is in $79 with carbon fiber edition. On AliExpress, the same case is price on $12, $11, $12, maybe different variants for different models and different colors with free shipping. You should try this, and the case is same as on Amazon. And the next product is Z case. These cases are very famous in these days. Z case natural titanium for iPhone 16 Pro Max on Amazon $39, and the same case on AliExpress is $15.44 with $4 shipping price. While the same case, you can check the price and the name, the picture, everything matches the same as on Amazon. Oats back may be the brand name and the same brand on Amazon and AliExpress. While the last product is ZEEHOO 3-in-1 wireless charging station for iPhone. And this product, I personally ordered this product, and maybe when you're watching this video, I'll receive this product. And look at the price, $52 on AliExpress. With, if you use the discount code, you will get almost $6 off with free shipping. You will be charged in maximum $44 or $45, while the same product on Amazon is $62.
If you want to order anything from AliExpress between these products or any other products, especially for the from US, you can check AliExpress. The products are is a different tab. There you will find that the products are same who ship from US, and the same product, same seller is on Amazon. So if you want to buy anything or order anything from AliExpress, you will use my discount code. You will get a $6, $3, and $10 discount. If you spend $19, you will get $3 discount. If you spend $39, you will get $6 discount. And if you spend $89, you will get $10 discount. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I will update daily product finds, one product daily basis, and upload it in my YouTube channel on short platform. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.